All right, calculus. I'm going to give you a few answers to your related rates notes packet here. We are in Elsie Mae's room. Daddy's keeping an eye on her. Currently, she is knocked out cold there. One of her 10 naps she'll take today. Then, of course, she'll be right awake at 10 p.m. All right, we just got done reading Introductory Calculus for Infants. So, if you need a tutor, get a hold of Elsie Mae in a few months. Folks, number 22 in your notes packet. I don't know if we've gone over this first. Got to use my phone here. iPad's charging, so good luck. Hopefully it's not too shaky. All right, a 15-foot ladder is leaning against a wall. The bottom ladder slides away 1.5 feet per second. That is dx dt that I've given you. All right, we want to know the angle between the top of the ladder and the wall. That's the wall. That's the top of the ladder when it's pi 6 radians. All right, so we need d theta dt. What we got here, folks, is we've got opposite and hypotenuse. So that is definitely sine of theta is x over 15. Take the derivative of that with respect to time. That's what that means. So I'm taking the derivative of everything here with respect to time. You might see that a lot in books. D dt. I'm taking the derivative of everything that's moving with respect to time. So that's cosine theta d theta dt is equal to 1/15 dx dt. Remember about that implicit differentiation. All right, well, what is theta? Theta is pi 6. All right, what is dx dt? It's 1.5. What is cosine of pi over 6? You need to know that. That's root 3 over 2. And multiply both sides by 2 over root 3. That's what we get. All right, so as you can see, that's like homework question number 16, which I think I gave you the answer in another video. I don't know if we've done 23, but here's the setup. The radius is 8. The height is 18. This question has nothing to do, it doesn't give you dRdt, so in that original formula, which it looks like I've done this one before, you need to substitute something in for r. So you know that r is 4/9 h. Instead of writing r squared, you write that. And then again, take the derivative, do a little arithmetic, and go from there to find dh dt. I know I've done 24. I do want to cover 25 just in case I haven't. That's like homework question number 7. Train starting at 10 a.m. goes west 50 meters. So it starts there, it's going west, while another starting an hour and a half later goes 70 miles per hour north. How fast are they separating at 2 p.m.? So at 2 p.m., that is what? Been 4 hours for this one, so you do 50 times 4. That's been 2.5, so you do 70 times 2.5. Pythagorean theorem will give you z. Round to the nearest tenth, that's fine. This is a Pythagorean theorem question. Again, this is going to be going up. That's going to be going that way. The distance will be getting bigger, so dz dt will not be nothing. Again, there's technically a 2x, a 2y, 2z, but we know we can divide everything by 2. All right, and then you'll just you'll get dz dt. That one's pretty easy. Don't know if I've done 26, but if gas is escaping, then dv dt is a negative. All right, you need to figure out what dr dt is first, and when you figure out what dr dt is, then you can figure out what the surface area is doing. Okay, because you need dr dt right there. The radius is 30. Just go from there. All right, can help each other out. These are pretty good questions. All right, Yak Math videos, plus our favorite new star. Can't see anything here. Elsie Mae signing out.